This is 6901 North 19th Street, Tampa. We're at the toilet at the back of the house, and this is the line that runs out to the clean out in the front yard. And you can see there's some calcium buildup. There's a lateral right there. Another lateral. The pipe's not in really bad shape right here. Right there's some calcium buildup. Possible maybe a jetting would do this okay. And this looks like there's maybe a lateral here. I'm not sure, or it's just there's calcium right here, a buildup of calcium. That might have to be knocked off. And then comes out here. Front yard. And now we're going to go back out. This is going out to the street, to the city main. There we go. And there is a lateral coming off of this right here. And it comes down. Oh, there is a hump in the pipe right here. And I'm guessing this is where the backup occurs, because it looks like to me there's paper towels and stuff sending out the clean out right here. I think right there's like roots in the top of the pipe. Right there. So that possibly, but I don't see. Yeah, right. Yeah, right here. There might be some roots growing into the pipe. And, ooh, and then right here is your bad area, right? Now we're underwater. So right here is a problem. This is all underwater here. And this looks like this might, there's stuff in the line right here. So I don't know if the pipe is busted here. And I'm not sure if this is the city main or not. I don't think it is. This probably goes down to the city main, someplace down here. I don't know how much farther I'm going to be able to get, because there's so many 45s in this. And this is going to take another drop. And there she goes. Now that's a city tap right there. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.